Greetings and salutations everyone, this is Giggly Bro and this is my tech channel. Today we're going to be learning how to bypass all Windows 11 upgrade errors, and it's going to be very easy. All we're going to need is one program, and once you know how to do this, you can upgrade any PC or laptop to Windows 11 regardless of the restrictions Microsoft has placed. So without further ado, let's get started. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go to the web browser and we're going to go to a specific link. That link is going to be a link to a GitHub with a program we're going to need to bypass all the restrictions and upgrade to Windows 11 easily. That GitHub will be in the description link down below for anyone who wants to just easily follow it. So this program was created by Cookie and it's a Windows 11 upgrade program. What we're going to do here is we're going to click on the Windows 11 upgrade zip, the EN one, download the file, and we're going to unzip it. From there we're going to open the file, and we're going to click on the application that says Windows 11 Upgrade EXE. Make sure you run this as administrator. So you're going to get two options here. There's going to be a Windows 11 upgrade screen that pops up, and you can either select a Windows 11 ISO that you already have, backed up, or you can download Windows directly through this application. I recommend downloading the Windows ISO through the installer to avoid any errors or issues. You're going to select your language and just wait, and it's going to start downloading the Windows 11 upgrade completely. This tool is very easy and very handy. You can use this tool for any Windows device and it will automatically bypass all the restrictions from Microsoft. So even if you have an old laptop lying around, once it's finished, you'll be able to upgrade any Windows device into Windows 11. We're just waiting for the Windows 11 ISO to finish downloading, and it shouldn't take too long. Okay, so once the update is done, once everything has been downloaded, you'll be able to select three options here. You can choose to upgrade your device and keep all of your programs and settings. Usually this method doesn't really work very well because some of the settings inside of the older versions of Windows, some of the settings and some of the applications don't transfer well. So I would suggest just data only if you already have all your applications backed up and your keys backed up. What I would recommend would be a clean install. Clean install is literally the best way to get yourself, started with Windows 11. But for right now, again, let's just start with upgrade, and you're going to install on the system. And you're just going to wait. And what this is going to do is it's going to run scripts in the background, so that way you can automatically upgrade to Windows 11. So you don't have to worry about anything else. This will do everything by itself. And all you have to do is just wait for it to install. Simple as that. Alright, once the Windows 11 installer is complete, you should automatically be on Windows 11 Pro. Give it or take a couple of hours or so. But if you run into any issues with this installer, like I said before, selecting upgrade in this tool isn't recommended, and the reason why it's not recommended is because it could give you issues when you're installing Windows 11. Those issues can consist of the Windows 11 installer crashing, or the Windows 11 installer not installing Windows 11 completely. The data only option or the clean install option is definitely the way to go if Windows 11 fails to install with the upgrade option. When upgrading to Windows 11 using this method, some PCs may not have the Microsoft Store installed. And if this happens, you can download the Microsoft Store directly from Microsoft's website. I left a link to the website below just in case if this happens to you. If you're still having issues with downloading the Microsoft Store through the official Microsoft website, I left a link below to GuidingTech.com and its top 4 ways to fix the Microsoft Store missing in Windows 10. It gives you a lot of options to install the Microsoft Store in a different way using the command prompt and PowerShell. And that's pretty much it. You should now have Windows 11 installed on your PC, no matter how old it is. Again, thanks to Koof Cookie for making this Windows 11 upgrade tool and simplifying it for everyone, so that way anyone can upgrade to Windows 11 regardless of the restrictions that Microsoft's placed. I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helped a bunch of you out with upgrading to Windows 11. Thanks again. Remember to stay giggly. Alright, y'all have a great day.